We're going to Japan.
We're going to Japan.
We're going to Japan.
There's a stolen.
Where are we going?
Airport for Japan.
We're going to Japan.
We're going to Japan.
We're going to Japan. Well, if we ever make it with this bloody
Yeah, we're
traffic.
late.
Are we late? We are definitely pushing the limits right now. Bye bags. Do we need to run? We made it.
Minutes to spare. Ended up doing it earlier, so.
Yeah, they moved our flight 15 minutes early.
Just because everyone's here early. So. Nah, they would drag it out. Nah, people are still coming on. We're not the last.
We're not the last. Yeah.
Chat business, no TV. What is
No TV.
Grant will be complaining right now. Yeah.
So, we are waiting in Sydney to board our flight to Haneda. What have we got waiting for it?
Something pretty exciting.
Is it exciting?
Something that I have found. So we're not giving away anything yet.
We're not giving away anything?
No. You just have to wait and see, mate.
Yeah. All you need to remember though, Indian giver.
I've been called Indian before.
For those that don't know what an Indian giver is, it's when someone buys you something, but then takes it back for themselves. That's Jason. Anyway, we'll see you in Japan. We have arrived in Japan, and what a ripper day. It is like blue skies, the glare, and it's what, 10 degrees?
No, it's like
So
Melbourne.
nice, but sunny. So we are about to get our shuttle bus to our hire car.
nice one.
Yeah, and then we are going to be driving 3.5 hours we're going straight to the track.
Straight track.
No hotel, we stink. We're going straight to the track.
Straight track. Get to see the surprises.
Yeah, get to sticker her up.
Stick a what up?
The surprise.
No, just stick her up a surprise.
I don't know.
Strange.
Let's go find our hire car.
Go find it.
So we got our car.
Yeah, we got it. You get these in Oz?
Not these ones.
Word a crown or a crown that it's called. I don't know what the type of car it is.
I don't know.
It's kind of like a Camry but nicer. More VIP spec. I don't know if they're rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive.
Toyotas.
It is Toyota. Hybrid. I think it's 4-cylinder and I'm pretty sure it's front-wheel drive. Kills it a bit but still rolling in style, isn't it? Gang.
All about the style.
Wow. Nice slow coach rock.
We're on our way to the track now after a quick pit stop.
Premium pit stop to get the ramen.
Yeah.
Get me back going after the lack of sleep for 3 hours, 3.5 hours, I reckon.
Yeah. What have we got? Do you even know where you're going?
No. I was going to do like a Nubus's guide to get to Embassy, but don't. Yeah. Even just coming to Japan. Yeah, a lot of people want to come to Japan and that's definitely daunting the first time. I might do a costings video and like the basics breakdown of like what it takes, what you need to know.
It's your own vlog. This is my vlog.
Hey, I'm just telling the people what might be coming. Alright, back to your chat vlog.
Alright, we'll see you at the track. That's premium!
Premium boss coffee. What did I get?
What did you get?
Premium!
Premium! We have arrived.
Premium.
It's at 1 o'clock and
Took a while.
yeah, there were a few crashes on
No, we did not
the
call.
expressway. Well, that we did not. You have to clarify that. So,
We're here.
we're here, but our cars aren't.
Stitched up.
We got stitched
I
up.
think Fausto got caught up with everything he's doing, which is fair enough.
Lots happening, lots of people.
He's on the way now with one of the cars, don't know which, or maybe both, or both. Maybe,
What did you
maybe, don't know. He's on the way with a truck. Can't show you surprises yet. Anyway, we're on the way up to North. See if Fausto rocks up. And maybe you can see a surprise. I don't know.
Surprise that no longer feels like a surprise.
Ruined it.
You ruined it. Our cars are here, and are we excited? We're pretty excited.
Time to see the surprise.
The surprise.
I'm sure by the thumbnail you've probably got some idea, but there's a stolen car.
So there are two cars, and the story behind it is that Jason, after April, he bought me a car, and then he decided that it had way too many goodies on the car. He took the car back off me and gave me his hand-me-downs.
Nice top you got there, by the way, before we show them.
Thank you. See how you like it?
Not bad. Alright, show us what we've got. What do you want to see first?
Let's show them yours.
Just show them.
Mine.
How about we just cut to B-roll? But here they are.
Check it out.
Stop.
I do love my livery. The pink is like on point, and if you see the side of the car, it looks like I'm a pro drifter.
Stolen. Show us the spot.
So the only new spicy thing is my livery. I feel like everyone's already seen the rest of the car.
Shush, by SR20.
He took the gear knob, so now I've
I was
got
almost going to take the steering because you got the nice one.
Yeah, well, you got to leave me something, right?
Yeah, true. Yeah, everyone knows your interior. It's exactly the same.
Cool.
That's my seat. I want it back.
No, that's a good seat. Your seat, I got to drive my taken car, and your seat sucks.
Yeah, that fits me, alright. I got the trunk out. Anyway, we'll go over my car soon. But
Yeah.
anyway, so
What else do we need?
what have
to
we
show?
done? No, so we've had a few upgrades. The external you won't notice, apart from obviously the beautiful stickers to suit Dani. Still got the raised wheels. So if you haven't seen this car, it has 1JZ VVTi R154. Last trip we stole Sammet's twin plate clutch, so it's got a twin plate. Got the Nardi obviously. It's got reverse knuckles, it's got really good knuckles. Extended LCAs, got like a GDR front mount. That's pretty much it. Stock ECU. We changed the auto ECU to a manual, and it made the car drive heaps nicer. And since then we've had a few refined things. So Side X have done the exhaust, all gaskets, and I think there was a few broken studs from last trip. So now there's no leaks. There's a bunch of leaks on the motor. The running gear on this is had its time, so full service, and it's supposed to do all leaks, time about stuff. I think there's still a few things to go, but it's all there. Rear end, so just got it's got Project New rear pads that we've gone all custom arms, or aftermarket arms, and solid subframe bushes because there was a hectic clunk last trip, and I done a quick one lap on North Course, and she feels all good just to make sure it's good for Dani out. And actually, yeah, I put the new car's old suspension in it, so there you go.
How come it feels so much different to drive it? Like, they feel so different.
Yeah, so knuckles.
But like starting off, like in first, I feel like I'm about to stall every time.
I think the diff ratio is different.
Okay.
I think this has got like a higher.
This feels like a really welded diff, where that one didn't.
Oh, and it's got more of a welded diff. It's got a proper two-way. This has a TRD two-way. Anyway, let's go over the new car.
Anyway, enough about me.
Enough about Dani. This may be her vlog, but it's time to take over. Took over car, take over vlog. Alright, so the new car. So we've got some Gucci Dani.
Yeah. Took the car with the Gucci padding.
Yeah. Bride passenger seat, bride driver's seat. Got an old Nardi, one of the last Nardis remaining from the shop at home. Got some nice Defi gauges. Same deal, 1JZ VVTi. Stock ECU. I do have a power SC for it. We'll see if we put it in. R154. They just put a new ORC Super Single. So not as harsh clutch as that. Supposed to save everything. TRD two-way, the factory one. All services done. Still fresh. Intercooler and intercooler piping. I think that's it for under the bay. We've got DG5 spicy suspension, brand spank, sitting a bit nicer height. Dani's in there ready to launch things like brand new Bolino 08Rs up front, and Bolino wheels all around. Don't have the rears on at the moment, just got the Kiwamis, but main difference, I mean, I should point out the obvious. We've got two identical cars pretty much from the paint. From the paint. I mean, the kit and everything, that's all pretty much the same. The only spicy thing is the bonnet. I think it's a little bit wider over fender. Still got like the corner lights. Like, this was a proper street car. I've just thrown the cage in it. That's the other thing I missed. full cage with harness bar.
Can I just clarify?
Yeah.
This was a street car in November
It
last
was.
year.
Still registered, still got the plate. Might be on that car now, the plate. May have been driving it, don't know. Yeah, so the colour. So this thing came up on the internet and Tweed Imports Exports, I don't know, garage or something, they sorted out auctions and I basically jumped on it. It's kind of last minute. I think the car had been up for a while. Anyway, he took a pretty good price. I think it was like 2 mil yen, so I think it's around 20 grand or something like that. Really good price, and there was not really many pictures, a little bit unknown on the condition and stuff. No pictures of under the bonnet. So he got some pictures, got it flowing, got an agreed price and got it sent to Sidex where they just went over the car and did the work. So pretty cool. We managed to find one in the identical colour. If you don't know, we got this one actually freshly sprayed before the last trip. What are the chances? Identical.
Pretty
Twins.
cool.
Worked well. So had to spice it up with Daniela's pink.
Yeah. We got the his and hers.
Yeah, got the his and
cute.
hers. I was gonna go a fluoro yellow when I saw how spicy the fluoro pink was gonna be, but I had to go the OG. So it's like the new car is taken on.
Yeah. He got very jealous when we were putting my livery on though, didn't he?
Definitely jealous. So the only downside of this car is the knuckles are like an old style reverse knuckles. This has the new one, which is most of the guys run them. It's kind of like a wise fabby standard feeling. This feels more like an OG cut and shut. Doesn't have as much lock. It drags the wheel, so it's a little bit like faster, but not as snappy and blah blah blah. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. There's the cars. Enough about the cars. Let's get in the car with you, Daniela.
Yeah, well, no one's on school course.
Oh, no one's here.
It's been a bit overwhelming watching all these other people driving everywhere. It's very, very busy already. And what are we? Wednesday. Matsuri's on Saturday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to start getting busy from today, tomorrow.
Yeah.
There's a comp on Friday.
Should be good. It's my first time at a different track as well. And another car, I guess.
Well, sorry, Daniel, I was stealing your car, but
You're not
once
sorry
I found
at
out how clean this one is mechanically and whatnot, it just made sense. This one's just a little bit tired. It needs a bit of work, but it's definitely there. I just drove it. It's pretty much the same. It's close.
It's still fine, but he can't just let me have something new.
Yeah, can't be doing that. You know, it's fine if Dani hurts it, but if Dani hurt the new car...
But if you hurt the new car, it's okay.
No,
right?
I hurt it. It's all good. Because it was someone else's fault. Never my fault.
Anyway, enough about him.
Alright, let's get in the car with you and let's do some laps. I'll park this up.
Alright, let's do it. What I mean? It's like so clunky to start off.
It's just a harder clutch. It's a more grabby clutch.
Is that why?
Yeah. Get off!
There's really no way.
They're not school level. Let's move forward. Ah! I think they're getting up this way. Yeah, you're good.
Handbrakes.
Just has to warm up a little bit. Just drag the handbrake around a little bit. Just hold it up. Just keep it up. No. Just drive while keeping it up. It'll warm up the pads. All right, off. Let it cool down now. See how she goes. Go for it. Not bad.
I feel much more.
It's a bit snappier. See the understeers I was telling you about before? Nice. Almost got the whole thing.
I could have done the handbrake.
Yeah, you basically do
I
that
had enough
one.
speed
You basically
now.
let it go more angle. Yeah, it was perfect. More angle that way, and then you do a final snap. Where was the power?
Yeah, I don't know.
Ah,
Steering feels so like.
much more touchy. Yeah, I think it's a tiny bit more self-steer when you're going slow.
Self-steering?
Less self-steer.
Less self-steer.
Yeah, no, I can tell them to swap them tonight if you want. Nice. That's it. Now keep going. Oh, no, that was it. Just have to keep it going. Nice. You gotta really rip that ass. Rip it.
It's feeling like it's a lot harder.
It'll come. It'll come good. Nice, Buffett.
Bit better. I felt much better in this car. I reckon the seat made a big difference.
Yeah, not getting thrown around. No, it's fair.
It sounds stupid, but like I was getting thrown around so much, and I probably couldn't reach the pedals as well in your car.
Yeah, fair enough. Being comfy is definitely a big thing. Yeah, we just got to get that handbrake warmed up, and I think it should come good.
This feels like quite stiff.
It is. It's just tighter. It's the same pads. It was weird. I drove the other car from Sidex, and the handbrake was like this. It just didn't want to work at all. And then once I gave it like a heat cycle, like drove with it on, got it really hot, and then let it completely cool down, then it like got all the stick back. It should come back good. It worked perfect last trip. Like used to grab really well. Looks like it feels like the clunk's gone. I don't know if it was the suspension because the lower bushes were gone in the old shocks. It's a mass boat before. Now it's much more planted. I don't know what brand they are. They kind of look like G-Ready style, having arms and then solid diff bushes. It should be good to go. But yeah.
More practice.
Yes, just practice. That's why we're here. So hopefully it's quite quiet. Dani can just keep going. Get used to it this whole trip, and hopefully by Matsuri you're comfortable enough to maybe like jump out, not go on trains and stuff, but just like get out there and like know that you're not going to spin.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how we go.
We'll see.
It just makes me nervous having other people, and yeah, as soon as I look back, I'll lose it.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of mental game going on for Dani. Definitely different teaching female versus male.
And teaching your partner. I think we've had a few like rules.
Yeah, I know it's different when you got that like emotional connection. It's like you,
more
I don't know.
invested
You're
or
like,
something.
yeah, you just expect more. Like you want to do better. Nah,
more.
not expect more, but like you've been in the car with me so much, so it's like frustrating.
See, this is something that Jay says like all the time. It's like you've been in the car so much with me. Yeah, cool, mate. I've been in the car with you for 12 years.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean anything when
Should
you're
be
behind.
second nature.
Do you know what? If anything, it makes me worse because I'm trying to get more speed and I'm trying to drive more like you, which completely ruins it.
It's harsh. I don't know. Like
I'm harsh.
it's like
Oh, you are.
yeah. I don't know. I don't know why.
Judgmental.
It's not even that.
Anyway,
Anyway.
either it'll enhance our relationship and I'll be a great driver, or we'll be divorced by the end of this trip.
I'm sure once Dani gets out on the learning stage, we'll be good. Once we're doing tandem.
Yeah, this will be history.
I want to do some laps with you. Maybe I'm going to go out now, do some laps. So I'm going to leave. We're going to leave it there. Yeah. Dani's going to get comfy, and she'll continue her vlog tomorrow, and I'll probably continue do my own vlog of sort of the week.
Or try to take over my vlog again.
Yeah. Or if my car breaks, then I'll be taking Dani's car. You know, like
Yeah, he's not joking either.
Anyway, thanks for watching. What do they do, Dani?
Oh yeah, you have to like and subscribe.
Jeez.
And that's what you have to do. And go check out keeperreet.com for some spicy merch. Yeah.
That's it.
Just do it. See you guys.